Today we'll learn how to blur, stack blur, box blur, Gaussian blur, motion blur and pixelize your face in VSDC Video Editor. Stay with me to learn the entire process. Create a blank project and import your footage. Track your face using motion tracking. To learn more, don't forget to check this video or in the description. Once finished, save it with a name in required place. Now let's double click to the video and import a circle or a free shape which will cover your face. Don't forget to paint the shape black. Double click to the shape and attach the movement map. Go to the video file tab and change the layer to inverted mask. So now only the face is visible. Now it's time to make fun. Go to Video Effects, Filters, Box Blur. Change the blur value and watch the result. Fine. Now try with stack, Gaussian and motion blur and customize the levels. For Gaussian blur, change these parameters. Let's try with Pixelized.
Motion tracking
Make fun with these effects.
Users.
Let me show you the result of each blur of them.
But also other features.
Try this experience now. Keep supporting me by subscribe and hitting the bell. Smash the like button. Share to other editors. Stay tuned. I'm Mumtaz Nitul. Thanks from Pure Unique Pro.